Hello and welcome to this introductory video which explains how to incorporate your eStudy Guide into your Moodle course site. So looking now at the eStudy Guide instructions page, you'll see some HTML code. Now what we need to do is select that code by putting your cursor at the start and clicking with your left mouse button and holding it down, and drag that over the text to the very end. Release your left mouse button and now click with the right mouse button and choose the option Copy. So now we've copied that HTML code. We're going to go to our course site. First thing we're going to do there is turn editing mode on. Then we need to decide whereabouts we're going to put the link to our eStudy Guide in our course site. So for this example, I'll put it in the weekly outline section, which is this first one here. So we click the Add a Resource drop-down list and we choose Compose a Web Page. Now we need to give a name for the link that's going to be created. So we'll call that eStudy Guide as an example, but you can call it whatever you wish, something that relates to your study guide for your course. Now down to the Compose a Web Page, we need to put the text in here. Now before we paste, it's very important that we come over here and we click this button here, which will change it to HTML mode. So once we click that button, we can come in here and select this code that's already there because we don't need it, and we right click on it and we choose Paste. And when we do Paste, it'll overwrite that with the code that we copied from the other page. Now there's just two more changes we need to make here. We have this course ID equals, and we have our course code here. So what you need to do is select this course code, which is an example, and replace that with your course code. Similarly, we have a term code here. The example here is 2010 T1, using the same format. If this is a future version beyond 2010 term 1, then you would change it to suit that accordingly. So we have a 4-digit year, a capital T, and then a number representing the term. Once you've made those two changes, come down here. I highly recommend that you do not select the show course blocks, so leave that unselected, and we save and return to course. And now we can test our link to our eStudy Guide by clicking on the new link that's created here. And here is our eStudy Guide page.